Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a one-off meeting on Calendly. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and create a one-off meeting. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This is going to be pretty useful in case someone schedules an unscheduled meeting with you, meaning that it wasn't supposed to be part of your calendar. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Calendly. Next, click on Create, and then go ahead and click on One-Off Meeting. Now, this is basically going to be for a time that's outside of your usual working hours. So you can see here, these are all the unavailable times. But if you go ahead and actually upgrade our subscription, you'll be able to add host to your one-off meeting. But as far as selecting a time goes, we're going to go ahead and let's select tomorrow at these times. Okay, then click on Next. Now, as you can see, we've now created a new one-off meeting where it's 30 minutes. There's 3 available times for one day. You can give it the meeting name, you can set the location, and then click on Share Meeting Link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up a one-off meeting on Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.